Every time you eat, your body kicks off an incredible 24-hour journey, one that turns a sandwich or a bowl of soup into energy, nutrients, and eventually, waste. Let's follow that journey step by step, starting the moment food enters your mouth. Digestion begins the second you take a bite. Your teeth break the food into smaller pieces, while saliva starts mixing in, softening everything, and beginning the breakdown of certain nutrients. Once you swallow, something remarkable happens. The rest of the process becomes completely automatic. You don't have to think about it again. Powerful, wave-like muscle contractions, called peristalsis, push the food down your esophagus. At the bottom, a ring-shaped muscle called the lower esophageal sphincter relaxes just long enough to let the food pass through into your stomach, then closes again to keep it from coming back up. Inside your stomach, things get intense. Strong muscles churn the food, while acids and enzymes break it down further, turning it into a semi-liquid mixture called chyme. Slowly, over several hours, your stomach releases this chyme into the first part of your small intestine, called the duodenum. Two organs now step in to help. Your pancreas produces enzymes that break down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, delivering them into the duodenum through small ducts. Meanwhile, your liver produces bile, a digestive juice that helps break down fats and certain vitamins. That bile is stored in your gallbladder, and every time you eat, your gallbladder squeezes it into the duodenum right when it's needed. This is where most of the real nutrient absorption happens. As peristalsis keeps pushing everything forward, the mixture is combined with all these digestive juices. Tiny, finger-like structures lining the intestine, called villi, absorb water and essential nutrients directly into your bloodstream, fueling every part of your body. Whatever's left, the waste your body can't use, moves into your large intestine. Here, more water gets reabsorbed, and trillions of bacteria get to work, breaking down any remaining material. Gradually, this waste transforms from a liquid into a solid form. Peristalsis carries this waste into your rectum, where it's stored until your body is ready to release it. The final gateway is your anus, just about 2 inches long, surrounded by muscles that give you control over when and how waste leaves your body. These muscles are even sensitive enough to tell whether what's coming is gas, liquid, or solid. From the moment you take a bite to the final step of the process, your digestive system works non-stop, a finely tuned system most of us never think twice about. And now you know exactly how it works, one organ at a time.